What is the smallest planet in the solar system? Answer B, Mercury. Who invented the telephone? Answer B, Bell. What is the hardest natural substance on Earth? Answer A, diamond. Who painted the Mona Lisa? Answer A, Da Vinci. What is the chemical symbol for water? Answer B, H2O. In which year did World War II end? Answer A, 1945. Which is the longest river in the world? Answer A, Nile. What is the currency of Japan? Answer A, yen. Who discovered gravity? Answer B, Newton. Which gas makes up most of Earth's atmosphere? Answer B, nitrogen. What is the capital of Canada? Answer A, Ottawa. What is the SI unit of force? Answer A, Newton. Which organ in the human body produces insulin? Answer B, pancreas. What is the tallest waterfall in the world? Answer A, Angel. What is the boiling point of water at sea level? Answer B, 100 degrees Celsius. Who was the first man to walk on the moon? Answer A, Armstrong. Which element is represented by the symbol Na? Answer A, sodium. What is the largest desert in the world? Answer C, Antarctica. Which continent has the most countries? Answer B, Africa. Which type of animal is a Komodo dragon? Answer B, lizard. What is the primary source of energy for Earth? Answer B, sun. Who wrote Pride and Prejudice? Answer A, Austen. What is the national flower of India? Answer A, lotus. What is the process by which plants make food? Answer C, photosynthesis. Which ocean is Bermuda located in? Answer A, Atlantic. What is the largest organ in the human body? Answer A. Skin. Which planet has the most moons? Answer A. Saturn. What is the term for animals that eat both plants and meat? Answer B. Omnívoros. Who was the first president of the United States? Answer B. Washington. What is the deepest point in the ocean called? Answer B. Challenger.